Yes, hi, this is an online examination system, and this is an admin login session. Once the admin login, let us go to the examination point of our interest. He or she may add an examination. Example, once you fill all the required examination details, then you can save. You can add any questions. This system allows a user to add a diagram or image if any in such a question, and then add it to the system. Yes, choose the answer of such a question, then add. Yes, once done, you can see the view question button pop up, and you can view the listed question. You can view the question and edit it when needed. And let us go back to the examination list. Enrolled button show the list of enrolled students or user to such an examinations. Before the examination starts, you can edit. You can be able to edit and delete it if you are not interested. This is button where you can change the status. Once you create the examination, it is not visible to the user. But if you change the status to the pending, the user can now view the examination and enroll to such an examination. That is why it is kept so that the user cannot enroll before you finish adding in the question. Yes, this is a user menu where you can add one user after another, or you can add user one after another, or you can download the template and then upload such a template. Yes, let's see the example of user. Yes, example, these are the list of user you have created. You can upload them bulk. Yes, go back to the system and you can upload the user. Yes, once done, you can refresh and you can see the users list. You can view the user list, edit them, or you can delete the user if you're not interested. And also you can reset the password of the user. This is a button of this is export buttons to Excel, CSV, PDF, and you can copy them and paste else. These buttons, the pending list, you can see the list of pending. Example, let us go back here and change the status of this examination, and you can see the examination list. Yes, you can see. Yes, this is bulk upload menu with some menu. Questions submenu. Yes, you can upload the question bulk by downloading this. First of all, download the master template, then questions and the option template. This let us download it and fill some data. As you can see, first of all, you should fill details, examination ID and last question ID. You can see the examination ID is number 2 now. So we should create another examination and give it, this is the examination, mathematics, okay, mathematics test 2, class 7, example. It will be done on 20th. Yes, you can add it and it constitutes 5 marks, and each mark carries 1 mark and 0 to wrong marks. Then you can add. Now this is question ID number 2. Yes, back to the system there. Yes, so this question ID number 2. And the last question ID is Last question ID, go to the, yes, last question ID is number 5. Go back to the master template is number 5. Now you can after adding this information of questions, then you can go to the question and copy this. And copy this and paste right there. Save. Make sure that it is compatible. And yes, go to the options, copy, copy these options and paste that right there. Save the template, make sure that it is compatible. Back to the system, then add the question. Yes, once done, you can refresh and you can see the questions have been added. Go to the options, find where options are. Option template is, yes, uploading. Once done, you can refresh and you can see the options are added. Yes, go back to the examination. You can see now the examination is full of questions. Yes, let us go back to the examination list. Yes, also you can add bulk diagrams. You can choose diagrams from LC. Example, you can choose diagram from and add them to the system. But also you can enroll a student bulk by just downloading this template, fill the required information back to the system and upload it to the system. The user yes, let us go back to the user login. We have already, and the user can just enroll to specific examination and enroll. Yes, back to this examination, you can see the user is enrolled. Yes, I have forced the examination to start and the student have already attempted. Let us go to the examination. Yes, I have forced the examination to start so that the student enrolled can attempt the examinations. Yes, once for demonstrations. Yes, I have forgot to show the demonstration of this button. This is print button where you can just print the plain examination and let us go to the result. This is the result of students who attempted the examinations, and you can see the marks of such a student. But let us see the examination number 2, the results. There are 2 students attempt such examinations, and these are the examination results. Yes, let us go back to the examination list and see this summary. Here you can see this is summary of students enrolled and they attempt to specific questions. So this is examination questions wise summary. You can see, you can view it in a PDF and you see the performance of such an examination general. Yes, go back to the examination list and see the examination results for the examination question wise summary. For this, you can see the performance of this examination by question number, student attempts fail, and the student pass such a question in this way. Yes, go back to the examination, and this is just the demonstration. Finally, let's just go back to this button. You can see the user, the admin can change password or monitor profile and the others. Thank you.